Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine and doing well in your lives. I am also fine. Today I am showing you guys how you can make your favorite tinted lip balm at home. I always face problem in getting the right tinted lip balm of my favorite color and texture. Some were too shiny for me and some were too light, or either I did not like their color at all. Luckily, if you get your right color, sometimes they are too costly. So don't worry guys, I will show you how you can make your personalized lip balm by yourself at home. So you can mix your favorite lip balm with your favorite lipstick shade, or you can also use the finished lipstick. I have already made my favorite lip balms. Here you can see the tinted lip balm I made last time. Here you can see its dark color, but in fact its color is very light. When you mix the lipstick with the transparent lip balm, its color gets light, so keep this fact in mind. The things that are required to make this is any lipstick of your favorite color or any finished lipstick. Here I am using this lipstick. Your favorite lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm, so I'm using this. Any empty lip balm container. Here I'm using this. I'm using this container because its mouth is wide as compared to this lip balm, so it would be easy for me to pour the lip balm after preparation and use it. And one scissor to take this lip balm out, and for mixing purposes, and here the spoon, and one candle is required. Now step by step I will show you how to make it. First of all, take the lip balm, transparent lip balm. After completely extracting the lip balm from its packing, I am going to put it in the spoon. The next step is to take your lipstick. Here I am using this lipstick which I have almost finished, and taking it out with the help of a scissor. Here I have to mention one thing: if you want the dark color lip balm, add more lipstick, and if you need light color lip balm, the quantity of lipstick should be less. It's totally up to you and according to your choice. Here comes your choice. Now take a candle and heat it up. I have to mention one thing: you have to just melt this material. You should not burn it or overheat it. Keep stirring and mixing until the solution becomes uniform and it is mixed well. Now you can see it has completely melted. It's time to pour and save the prepared tinted lip balm. You can also use here this syringe or funnel type container to pour it safely without wastage or any mess. Now I'm going to put it in refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes our lip balm is ready. Let's open and see how it looks like. Wow, this is the lip balm which we have prepared now. Let's test its color. It is darker than the previous lip balm which I have showed you earlier, so it will fulfill two purposes at the same time: lipstick plus lip balm. You can put your prepared tinted lip balm in empty lip balm container, but if you are not expert and want to avoid wastage, just put it in any empty eye cream jar, small jar like this. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. See you in another exciting and informative video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.